Welcome to our channel. Today we will start our new topic and that is collision of elastic body. Collision. It is a collision between two bodies which continues for a short interval of time and during which both bodies exert a large amount of force on each other. Here are some common terms in regard with collision. Means impact which occurs when two bodies collide with each other during a very short period of time is called as collision. मतलब कि दो बॉडीज अलग अलग वेलोसिटी से एक दूसरे को जब टकराती है और उसमें जो डिफॉर्मेशन होता है उसे कॉम्प्रेशन कहा जाता है और उसे ही कोलिजन कहा जाता है. सो देयर आर 5 टाइप्स ऑफ कोलिजन. फर्स्ट इज लाइन ऑफ कोलिजन, सेकेंड इज डायरेक्ट कोलिजन, थर्ड इज ऑब्लिक्यू कोलिजन, फोर्थ इज सेंट्रल कोलिजन एंड फिफ्थ इज डिफॉर्मेशन कोलिजन. So first we study line of collision. What is mean by line of collision? It means that it is the common normal to the plane of contact during collision of a body. Means we can see in the figure the line of impact and the plane of contact. Means in the line of collision, the collision is in the line of impact. There is direct collision. If the velocity of two particles are along a line of impact, the impact is called as direct collision. Means the line of impact is the normal state and the velocity is along that line of impact. मतलब कि वो लाइन वेलोसिटी जो है उस वो लाइन ऑफ इम्पैक्ट के तरफ अगर जा रही होती है और वो कुछ तो एंगल फॉर्म करती है तो उसे डायरेक्ट कोलिजन कहा जाता है. Oblique collision. If both particles moves along the line other than line of collision is called oblique collision. We can see that in the diagram the velocity is moving along a line other than line of collision and forms an angle is called as oblique collision. Central collision. If the mass centers of two bodies with are collining lines, the line of collision is called central collision. It means that the velocity of two bodies are in the central impact. This impact is called as central collision. Deformation collision. It is the change in size, shape, structure in body for a while or it will be for a long time is called as deformation. Means the body is changing its shape, size, structure of the body and it is form a deformation in the collision. It is called as deformation collision. The formula for calculating the collision is total momentum before collision is equals to total moment after collision. M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equals to M1 V1 plus M1 V2. And the next is types of impact. Perfectly elastic impact. It means if it is the type of impact, there is a complete restoration. Both bodies regains their original shape and size completely. It is called as perfectly elastic impact. The coefficient of restitution E is equals to 1. Second is semi-elastic impact. In the type of impact, there is parallel. Both bodies do not regain their original shape and size completely. It means that it is a semi-elastic impact. Here the coefficient of restitution is more than 0 and less than 1. Third one is plastic impact. It is the type of both bodies coupled together after impact and move together with common velocity and due to permanent deformation there is no period of restoration. Here the coefficient of restitution is E is equals to 0.